Hi, welcome to MyWealth.com. I'm Bob O'Brien, one of the senior instructors with the courses. Welcome to the blog for the day, the only 3 portfolios you will ever need. I've been a financial planner for 15 years, and it never ceases to amaze me how much trouble some people have stacking the odds in their favor for personal financial success. And it's really not as complicated as a lot of people think. I think one of the main areas where a lot of people get distracted is with all the Wall Street news and noise and so forth that's really more geared towards the short term. And sometimes people get carried off on those waves to make a quick buck. On the other hand, then there's some people that just get frightened from the stock market at all. But yet we've seen over long periods of time, like over saving for retirement, over a 20, 30-year period, the stock market does offer superior performance to other investments, more conservative investments.
As always, make certain that you check out the written blog at www.mywealth.com/blog. Okay, one of the main portfolios that you always want to make certain that you have is an insurance portfolio. A lot of people overlook the need for this, and usually when something bad happens, it's too late. So obviously medical insurance, a lot of people have that, life insurance, disability insurance, property insurance, and umbrella insurance. It will all protect you in case of some unforeseen catastrophe that can really happen to anyone. And I've heard some stories throughout my career of some people that built up a lot of wealth, and because they weren't insured properly had lost, in some cases, hundreds of thousands of dollars. So you definitely want to make certain that you take this serious in terms of your insurance. Okay, the main things I want to talk about are your goal-oriented portfolio. Okay, now this would be your retirement and children's education, things that are more oriented for goals, such as which would be 2 main financial goals: your retirement and perhaps children's education. Maybe your retirement being the most important financial goal that you do have. You should not be looking to play the market with these. I mean, you should really be just looking to take what the market provides you, whether it be the stock and bond market, and not necessarily looking to actively trade these markets, guess what's going to happen in the market, and so forth. You want to keep this plan simple, and using something like a 50-50 stock bond balanced portfolio where you do rebalance the different flavors of stocks, different flavors of bonds, and it's very important that you rebalance. When stocks outperform bonds, you shift it back, you shift your money back into bonds where things are more secure and more stable. Okay, and the last portfolio, again, that you really need is your discretionary portfolio. Now, after the financial events, or global economic crisis, if you will, of 2008, this type of portfolio is no longer, say, just an option for people or a hobby. It really is an absolute must, because it's going to keep you sharp and make certain that you know what's going on in the world of business, which can also enhance your career, and then of course your finances in general, and giving you additional skills to manage your other finances, and of course your goal-oriented portfolios like your retirement portfolio. And these are the type of things we go over in our courses, so you really don't want to miss out. They're incredibly affordable. Don't wait. Get in a course. Get educated. Get to www.mywealth.com.
So you can see, on your own, you can really develop a goal-oriented portfolio and a discretionary portfolio where the two synergize, where they work off each other, where it enhances your financial security and ultimately meeting your lifelong financial goals. Like I said, the goal-oriented portfolio can be a little bit more boring, a little more conservative, but that's okay. I mean, you want to make certain that you're hitting your marks, whether your goal is to retire at 55, 65, or sending your children to college, or whatever the case may be. You don't want to be taking high risk with that type of money. And when in your discretionary portfolio, maybe you're looking to enhance those things, to have an even greater retirement, and of course, enjoy watching the markets, develop it as a hobby, and seeing what's going on, which will help you learn lessons for managing your goal-oriented portfolio as well. So, and that's what we really help you do here at My Wealth. So make certain that you look into our courses. They're very affordable, 25 hours. I'm one of the senior instructors. I enjoy helping people, answering their questions, and I look forward to seeing you in a course.